Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Login failed, sorry, an uninspected error occurs. Please try again later. Error code number 2. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again and try to log in again. So just check your username and password you just write, and also you can try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power your phone again. So just restore your phone. And after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Facebook, and if you see here update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook application. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.